नमस्ते, वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं कीर्ति और आप देख रहे हो केएच की ज़िंदगी। सो दिस ईयर हैज़ बीन सो मच फॉर मी एज आई हैव मेंशन्ड अ मिलियन टाइम्स ऑन ऑल माय सोशल मीडियाज, but I just wanted to make this video to look back at my vision board and see what came true and what we have to work for in the upcoming year. So let's just start.
Welcome to Desi December Diaries with KH Vlogmas with an Indian Tarka.
So basically, as you can see, I have all those quotes mentioned here that keep me going through the day, affirmations and quotes and all of that. Life is all about the 4Gs: God, goals, growing and glowing. It's fine to fake it till you make it, till you do, till it's true. And then I passed my driving test which I did not give. ये मैंने मतलब साल के शुरुआत में मैंने एक बहुत अपना एक वो बनाया था कि ऐसा मेरा साल मेरे हिसाब से जाना चाहिए, तो क्या क्या होना चाहिए उसमें। और हर चीज़ नहीं पूरी होती ऑब्वियसली, तो कुछ कुछ सेटबैक्स भी हैं, बट कुछ कुछ और चीज़ें भी है जो इसमें थी भी नहीं बट फिर भी हुई। तो थोड़ा ऊपर कर दूँ क्या मैं एंगल? वेट। दिस ईयर आई वांटेड टू ग्रो एज अ पर्सनैलिटी एंड एज वेल एज इन माई जर्नी ऑफ कंटेंट क्रिएशन, एंड आई डिड ग्रो इन बोथ वे। नंबर वाइज नॉट टिल द एक्सटेंट ऑफ दिस, क्योंकि ये था 10,000 फॉलोअर्स, इफ यू कैन सी, विच आई एम नॉट श्योर इफ यू कैन, but this was the first goal I put up. It was the 10,000 followers. I currently have 2,500, but ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Then all of these notifications that I got last year, was a lot of new things happened last year. Like my videos got thousands of views, thousands of likes, thousands of comments and thousands of shares. So I was like, okay, this is nice. So I took a screenshot every time the notifications were like a lot of numbers, and then I put them up here, and I got a lot of numbers like this year too, and I got a lot of mentions this year too. First mention that I got, wait, let me just pull up the archives. Okay, now we're talking. So let me just okay, so then right, so ये numbers, followers, likes वगैरह के साथ साथ there were a lot of brands like PR packages and all of this, ठीक है, nice skincare products, a lot of makeup, a lot of makeup again, एक एक करके आते हैं एक करके. So on 1st of January 2024, this was a Bata collab, and the brand liked this video so much that they decided to run ads on it. I did not do any paid collaborations until this. So on 1st of January, I had a conversation with the brand asking them that why did they run ads on this when it was a Bata collaboration. So they told me कि हमको आपकी वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई थी. तो आई वॉज लाइक, आप मेरे से पूछ के एड्स चलाओगे ना? जो वीडियो मैंने बनाई है उसमें मेरी शक्ल है, वो मेरी वीडियो है, वो मेरे अकाउंट पे वीडियो है, वो कोलैबोरेशन में थी उनके साथ, तो पता नहीं कुछ तो करके उस पर एड्स चला दी. बट देन द ब्रांड वॉज काइंड इनफ टू आस्क मी कि आपको क्रेडिट्स चाहिए या क्या चाहिए. तो आई टोल्ड देम कि दिस इज चार्जेबल, मेरे को डिजिटल एड राइट्स चाहिए. तो उन्होंने बहुत ही प्यार से मुझे जितना भी मैंने अमाउंट बोला वो बिना नेगोशिएट करे उन्होंने वो अमाउंट मेरे को ट्रांसफर कर दिया. सो ऑन 2nd January 2024, I landed my first paid collaboration. Then on 21st January, I was on Dot and Keys page. Like, okay. And this was also a Bata collaboration, but they asked me for the permission of running ads on this, but I said I will do it if you pay me, and they did not pay me, so they just reshared my reel on their story. It helped them and it helped me because it has 9,000 views now. Then on 24th January, I made this trend, Koisi trend of Afsana Khan, and she reshared the video and she also commented on the video. It got 2,500 likes, 124 shares, 91 comments, and 52,859 views. Okay, so this was the first time a celebrity mentioned me on the page. Then a lot of things happened. The year sort of thoda utputang ho gaya. But then in July, I got invited to the Cetaphil event, and on 2nd of July, I met Ashna Chand, who is an angel. So as you can see over here, there's a camera, then there's a notebook, there's a Starbucks coffee, and there's this MacBook editing. This was for me to start my YouTube channel again, because I knew in the start of the year that I wanted to do it again. I just needed to do it again. Like something in me just resonates better with YouTube, so I just needed to do it again. So I did that. I wanted to buy this camera. I went to buy this camera, but it was out of stock for 2 months. So I then ended up getting this phone, and it's still out of stock. It's been a month since I got the phone, and it's still out of stock. So I guess God wanted me to purchase the phone instead of the camera. And then this was me editing in Starbucks. Instead, I got to shoot an ad for Starbucks. Like bigger things just kept on happening. And right above this is written, God is within her, she will not fall, which helped me so much throughout this year. I can't even. On Cetaphil event, I met Sakshi Sindwani, who again is an angel. Oh, also, I forgot. On 22nd February 2024, it was my first board exam for 12th class, and I was invited to a Korean beauty event in India, and I made it to that event. मेरा एग्जाम खत्म हुआ 1:30 बजे. गुड़गांव में था मेरा इवेंट, गाजियाबाद में था मेरा पेपर. I got ready on the way in the car, and I made it to Gurgaon at 4 p.m. and I was at the event. The event was supposed to end at 5, but I still made it at 4. Even though invite 12 बजे का था, but I could not make it at 12 बजे. But I still made it to the event. I met Alina, who again is an angel. I can't. And she was at the Cetaphil event as well. I don't know why that's not on my highlights. But anyways, then on 9th of September, Ananya Pandey mentioned me in her story. I made a video on the Call Me May dialogues that I just like sat all night watching and screen recording, then making an audio, recreating the look and all of it. It was so worth it. On 28th September, Bruno mentioned me in a story, and I was like, bro, come on. On 11th of October, anyways, so this reel right here, it has 25k likes. It had 25k likes. It has 7,772 shares, and it has 4 lakh views. That was in 2023, but I wanted to go more. I wanted more of it in this year. So, but वो वीडियो पे नहीं हुआ. My account reach was 500,000, and we cut a cake on 11th of October. Then on 19th November, I was randomly just in my room, and I remembered how I just started with one Hilary Rhoda palette from Flipkart. It was for 200 rupees eyeshadow palette, and I was like, so I did not have a lot of money to spend. I was in 8th or 9th grade, so I just wanted to start doing makeup videos, but I just did not have any makeup. So I bought the Hilary Rhoda palette for 200 rupees on Flipkart, and Hilary Rhoda sent me a package this year with the same eyeshadow palette, and it was a full circle moment for me. So I was just appreciating that. Then on 21st August 2021, this was the first ever Halloween look that I did. It was from that eyeshadow palette, and I did not have face paint, I did not have water activated liners, I did not even have an eyeliner. All I had was that palette, and I did that. And even like look at my eyebrows, they're unibrow at that time. I got my eyebrows done when I was 16, so उससे पहले सब ऐसे था, मतलब पूरा, but we still made it. So this was the first creative look that I did, and this year I bought face paints, oil based. I had the water based ones, but they were just not enough, so I bought the oil based ones, and we did a lot of creative looks, and I posted them on YouTube and Instagram as well. And so many of you liked the video on YouTube that it went a little bit viral. I mean, 30k views for me is viral. Okay, I'm not used to 30,000 views on every single video. It's for me it's viral. Okay, so this was all regarding to the content creation corner. Then I had this picture which is a pile of PR, and it has written a week full of smiles. This picture was recreated in my room. Same exact picture, piled up PR packages of one single week, and I was like, then I had this, ये निकल गया, इसमें कील नहीं लगी है. This girl walking in so much greenery. अरे भाई गिर गई. This girl walking in a lot of greenery, and guess what? Let me just show you. I also got my first international PR. It was on 12th of June. I posted a story. It was from Korea. मुझे FedEx से कॉल आया कि हेलो मैम, आपका पैन कार्ड चाहिए, आपके लिए पार्सल आ रहा है, उस पर कस्टम्स हटवाने हैं. I was like, हैं? Then I checked my mail and it was like, we have sent you a parcel. I'm like, I can't even express the moment it was. Then see, so this was the picture I was talking about, piled up. Yeah, packages. Now, guess who this is? It's me. I woke up at 5 a.m. to go to this hike. The moments that I have lived this year, I can't express it. Even though I did not take any flights or anything, but it still was such a happening year. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, let's move to this side now. Extremely photogenic, I became photogenic. 18th birthday, I wanted a balloon. I wanted a balloon sort of party, gold theme party. Did not happen. कोई बात नहीं. I wanted to learn how to do like the sit on vanity makeup, because I just keep on doing my makeup खड़े होके ऐसे कहीं भी कुछ भी. But then I wanted to learn how to like actually feel like the playlist playing and sitting in front of a mirror doing your makeup, having rollers in your hair. Like basically the Victoria's Secret thing. Then I posted a video about Victoria's Secret angel hair. This is about that rollers and everything. I learned how to use rollers even though I have the wrong size, but कोई बात नहीं. This was a picture, but then I felt like it didn't belong there anymore, so I had to remove it. And then I felt like this space which has nothing on it. It's open for opportunities to come, and the day I felt like that was the day that all my year just flipped around and so many opportunities just came my way, and it just felt like fate. I don't know. Then I had this quote, you are getting distracted again. You got dreams to chase, not people to impress. And I was like, yes, that's really, really true. That girl era, healthy girl era, my life is perfect. Then all these affirmations, my body is healthy, my mind is creative, and my soul is calm. Just all these affirmations and quotes just helped me, even though I did not look at them every day. But in the back of my head, I just knew it. Things just happened so nice and so quick that I did not get time to process them. Then we have a lot of manifestation for orders, and good things are coming. I want to see what happens if I don't give up. I'm still trying to see what happens if I don't give up. Focus on your goals. And the most prettiest, smartest, nicest, talented person in the entire world. Yes, I am. In my head, I am. Then I had so when this year started, I was still in my 12th, right? Academically, it just was feeling too much at that time, क्योंकि जब vision board बनाया था तब practicals चले थे, previews चले थे, और जब बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा था तो I was just nervous, and I was like, then I wrote no grades below 80, no grades below 80%, and I got 81%, and I was happy about it. Everybody is happy about it. Into university, and the college campus that I have, it's really great, and it just doesn't make me feel down, to be very honest. Like जब वो स्कूल की 15 बच्चों की लिस्ट पे निकली ना, तो उसमें मेरा नाम था कि over 70 वाले. Not want to be in that 70 to 80 category. Not saying that anything is wrong in that, but I just knew I had more potential than that. एंड आई ऑल्सो न्यू आई कैन नॉट स्कोर 90%. लाइक कम ऑन गाइज, थोड़ा रियलिटी में जियो. तो जितना गोल आपको पता है कि आप कर सकते हो उतना ही रखा करो. ये नहीं डिलीलू में रह के कुछ भी रखते रहो. मतलब कुछ भी रख सकते हैं बट थोड़ा मतलब हाँ ऑब्वियसली आप कुछ भी रख सकते हो, फिर बोल सकते हो कि यूनिवर्स मुझे ला के देगा और आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो, बट वो तो बकवास है. सिर्फ उतना रखो जो आपको पता कि अगर आप मेहनत करोगे तो ये अचीवेबल है. लाइक लास्ट ईयर आई हैड अ कार, I had a few cars on this and I was like, and then when the year ended I was like, can I actually buy those cars right now? I cannot. And even if I do I know how to drive? No. So there was no point of me having those cars on there. So this time it was a little bit personal and this time it's going to be a lot more personal. ये materialistic growth को साइड हटा देंगे. हमें सिर्फ खुद फोकस करना है, खुद की ग्रोथ करनी है, बस बाकी सब साथ में आता रहता है. अच्छा ठीक है. आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई एम गोइंग टू वर्क हार्ड इन स्कूल एंड एम फ्रॉम स्टेट. ए नहीं आया, बी आया मेरा, कोई बात नहीं. अच्छा तो आया ना, सी तो नहीं आया ना, गंदा तो नहीं आया, बस गंदा नहीं आना चाहिए. हाँ चलता है बाकी सब. And then there's I manifested everything I wanted. Yes, I did. Even though it wasn't exactly how it was supposed to be, but I did manifest everything I wanted. I manifested more than I wanted. I got more than I wanted and I'm pretty happy about it. So let me know how your year went because mine went great as you can see. थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे तो होता रहता है गाइस, उसमें क्या दुखी होने की बात है ना. आई होप मैंने कुछ मिस आउट ना किया हो, क्योंकि आई रियली होप मैं आर्काइव्स क्योंकि मैं अपनी हाईलाइट की आर्काइव देख के बताया कि मुझे क्या क्या मिल गया था. मेरी मेमोरी थोड़ी इतनी अच्छी है नहीं कि बस एक एक चीज़ याद रहे. कुछ याद रहता है, कुछ मैं भूल भी जाती हूँ, क्या कर सकते हैं. So that was it for the video and I hope you really liked the video. This is your sign to make a vision board of your dreams and work for it to come true. बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं आता है. Just let's be real, बैठे बैठे कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. आपको काम करना पड़ेगा तभी रिजल्ट आएंगे. भगवान जी आपके हाथ में प्रसाद नहीं थमा देंगे, आपको प्रसाद देना पड़ता है. फिर वो प्रसाद भगवान जी को चढ़ता है और वो प्रसाद वापस मिलता है ना, समझे. भोग लग के वापस मिलता है, लेके जाना पड़ता है वहाँ तक. काम करते रहो, जितना रिजल्ट आना होगा भगवान जी से वापस आ जाएगा. चाहे थोड़ा प्रसाद आए चाहे बड़ा प्रसाद आए, प्रसाद को एक्सेप्ट कर लो. ठीक है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड कॉमेंट अपने ईयर के बारे में. अच्छा गया हो बुरा गया हो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता. अगर ये वाला बुरा गया ऐसा तो नहीं सकता पूरा का पूरा साल बकवास गया हो. ठीक है, तो कुछ ना कुछ अच्छा मोमेंट होगा, उसको साथ जोड़ो और बुरे वाले को बाय बाय कर दो. ठीक है. This was the vision board. We are going to be making 2025 का vision board very soon and